In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch between active Codex agents, so you can manage multiple coding tasks and keep track of different parts of your project. Start by signing into your ChatGPT account and opening the Codex workspace. From there, open the Codex dashboard where you can view your active tasks and running agents. Each Codex agent represents a separate task or workflow. Instead of having to wait for one task to finish before starting another, you can move between different agents depending on what you need to review or update. To switch between agents, open your list of active tasks and select the one you want to continue working on. For example, you might have one Codex agent working on a website update, improve the homepage design, and make the layout mobile-friendly. At the same time, another agent could be working on create automated tests for the user registration system. If you want to check the website changes, simply open the first task. You can review the generated code, read the progress updates, or provide additional instructions. When you need to work on testing, switch to the second task and continue the conversation with that agent. Each task keeps its own context, so you can focus on different objectives without mixing instructions. While switching between agents, review the status of each task. Check whether an agent is still working, waiting for feedback, or has completed its changes. If an agent finishes its task, inspect the generated code and test results before approving the work. If changes are needed, send follow-up instructions directly within that task. For larger projects, organizing agents by purpose can make your workflow easier to manage. For example, you can use one agent for feature development, another for bug fixes, another for documentation. Remember to review changes carefully before combining work from multiple agents, especially if different tasks modify similar parts of your project. And that's how to switch between active Codex agents. Open the Codex dashboard, select the task you need, review its progress, provide instructions, and move between agents to manage multiple development workflows efficiently.